Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another way to clean the glass oven door. All you're going to need is a little bit of baking soda, some vinegar, and just the smallest amount of tin foil shaped into a ball here. So what we're going to do to start, of course, is I'm going to start by just sprinkling baking soda over the top here, and then I have nothing but vinegar in this spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray this all over my oven glass. You're going to hear the chemical reaction and see it. It's going to start to bubble. You're going to be able to hear it fizz, and I'm going to be really generous. I'm going to be super generous with my vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit just like this for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back, scrub it with my tinfoil ball here. So let it sit for 5 minutes, and I'll see you in a second in the magic of YouTube. I have a bucket here filled with just water and then obviously a washcloth, and this is what I'm going to use to get off all the extra gunk off of the oven door. All of that baking soda pasty stuff, this is what I'm going to use to get that off. Here is the end result for the oven glass door cleaning. Personally, I think the dishwasher tab was just more simple, but this is definitely an option too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.